老百姓都覺得好驚奇，因為佢覺得咧就一聽見話加稅，就覺得佢自己負擔會重咗啦。你一路買斯納個排隊，尋日咪，哎呀，你呢個就升價未啊？到咗你一定升㗎。
At Camman Food, a Chinese supermarket in Manhattan that has served New Yorkers since 1972, tariffs are starting to hit home.
我哋呢間超市咧，係大部分嗰啲貨物都係進口嘅，香港、台灣同埋中國加埋咧，基本上有90%以上。最大嘅影響咧就我本身落個打，我落咗㗎啦。以前咧我就好似要 continue 嘅，我而家咧就叫佢哋 stop 先。我哋嘅海產同埋土產嗰方面咧，我落咗打啦，我叫佢唔好出字。
President Donald Trump's move of raising tariffs on Chinese imports to a staggering 125% means big change for these businesses.
好似我哋月餅，畢竟佢要進口，佢會升價。佢升價嘅話咧，咁你以後咪食少啲咯。
To adapt, Camman has been importing more durable products from places hit by increased tariffs like Japan and Hong Kong, seeking breathing room before wholesale prices eventually go up.
稍微進咗啲嘅，就諗住多翻2-3個月嘅乜嘢咯。而家好多人口商已經飛咗去產家度，即係去到嗰度慢慢托啦，或者補助下我哋啦。你或者你減價，即係盡量能夠保持嗰個，就算升降咧，對老百姓嚟講唔好太多。政府既然可以整嗰呢套嘢出嚟嘅話咧，應該控制好美國嘅廠家啦，菜農啦、米農啦、魚啊、果啊。如果你能夠有一個好完善嘅機構，對老百姓嚟講咧，影響唔會係致命嘅。
At Camman, even a small price hike can mean hours of extra work.
我哋其實都會好難㗎，你好似你啲價錢喺度，你話要改一個價錢，哇！嗰啲我哋啲伙計要一隻隻打過晒㗎，我都唔想佢咁樣做㗎。